It was time. Our old Samsung refrigerator glass shelf cracked. We needed a new one. I found the Tomato Man DA97-16362A shelf. This shelf is a perfect fit. Also, it works with many Samsung models. It was so simple to install. I just slid it in. The clear glass looked great. Moreover, it felt really sturdy. This shelf is a true upgrade. It makes our fridge feel new. The new shelf holds a lot. It fits all our groceries. Indeed, it handles heavy items. The edges are smooth. This prevents scratches. Furthermore, it cleans up easily. Spills wipe right off. This Samsung refrigerator glass shelf is a lifesaver. It keeps our food organized. Finally, it looks amazing too. No more flimsy shelves. This one is built to last overall. This shelf is excellent. It replaced our broken Samsung refrigerator glass shelf perfectly. Consequently, it saved us money. We didn't need a new fridge. Instead, we just replaced the shelf. This shelf is a fantastic value. Therefore, I highly recommend it. It's a simple fix, yet it makes a big difference. Pros: military-grade tempered glass, resists scratch and drop, stronger and tougher material 3 mm. Thick reinforced glass, good bearing performance, withstands 30 kg weight, no deformation or sag. Exceeds OEM standards, rigorously tested, toolless installation, freehand. Snap-on design, easy to fix with gentle push features. Upgraded glass shelf, compatible with Samsung fridges, replaces DA97-16362A, also replaces DA97-16362T. Easy to install, durable construction, clear glass design, upper shelf replacement. Tomato Man brand, specific part numbers included. This is an upgraded glass shelf from Tomato Man. Designed to replace the upper glass shelf in Samsung refrigerators. It's compatible with several Samsung fridge models and can replace part numbers like DA97-16362A and DA97-16362T. This shelf is easy to install, built to last, and features a clear glass design. The Tomato Man upgraded DA97-16362A refrigerator glass shelf is a tough new shelf for Samsung fridges. It's made from military-grade tempered glass that won't scratch or break easily. This shelf is extra strong and can hold up to 30 kilograms, about 66 pounds, without bending. It's also super easy to put in since you just snap it into place without any tools.